Automate early access feedback collection with n8n. Full AI automation no-code workflow. What's up builders, welcome back to another AI automation and n8n no-code tutorial. In this video, we're building a complete early access feedback collection system. A real-time automation that gathers user feedback, analyzes sentiment with AI, stores data in Airtable, notifies your team in Slack, and even send a personalized thank you email automatically. No manual work, no spreadsheets, just AI automation plus n8n plus no code working together to make your product feedback loop smarter and faster. Let's build this live step by step. Step 1. Capture feedback automatically. We start with a webhook node named webhook capture feedback. This node acts as the entry point for all incoming feedback. Whenever a user submits feedback from your website, chatbot, or early access form, this webhook captures the data instantly. So the path will be early access feedback. Example payload will be the name, the email, the product, the rating, and the feedback. For example, I love the design, but the export feature could be smoother. You can test it easily using Postman or Typeform integration. Why it matters? Because this node is the automation trigger. It ensures every new feedback submission launches the workflow in real time. Step 2. Clean and format feedback data, the set node. Add a set node called set clean feedback data. This step keeps the workflow clean and consistent. We use the keep only set option and map fields manually using JSON expression. Name, JSON name, email, JSON email, product, JSON product, rating, JSON rating, feedback, JSON feedback, and timestamp that it's now. Why it matters? This step guarantees uniform field name so all downstream nodes can rely on structured data. It's like data hygiene for automation. Step 3. Analyze feedback with OpenAI. Now we bring AI into the loop. Add an OpenAI node named OpenAI Analyze Feedback. We'll analyze sentiment category and summarize each feedback line using a simple but powerful prompt. Let's see the prompt. Analyze the following customer feedback and return JSON with sentiment positive, neutral, negative, category UX, performance, features, bugs, support, and summary short one sentence inside. Product will be JSON product, rating JSON rating, feedback JSON feedback. Example output can be sentiment positive, category features, and summary user loves the UI but suggests improving export flow. Why it matters? This is where AI automation shines. Instead of manually reading every response, you get structured insight instantly. Step 4. Check for duplicates feedback, HTTP request node. We don't want to score the same feedback twice. Add an HTTP request node called HTTP request check duplicate feedback. URL will be this, API Airtable.com v0 your base ID feedback. We query the Airtable or your database for existing feedback from the same email. Query parameters will be name filter by formula and value email JSON email. As you can see here, this is the query parameters. This returns all existing feedback records for that email. Why it matters? It helps us avoid duplicate submission and keeps our database clean and accurate. Step 5. Now add set count records. This small but essential node extracts the number of records found in the previous step. Name will be the record count and the value JSON records length. We store this in a new field called record count. This gives the if node a clear numeric value to check, no messy JSON parsing inside the condition. Step 6. Route new versus duplicate feedback with the if node. Condition. If JSON current record equal to 0, this is new feedback. Otherwise, it's a duplicate. True path, proceed to store, notify, and email, and the false path, send the Slack alerts about duplicate feedback. This is where logic meets automation. You decide what happens based on real data. Now, let's store all new feedback properly. Add an Airtable store feedback under the true path. Operation is upsert or create table early access feedbacks, and the fields will be the name, JSON name, the email, JSON email, the product, JSON product, the rating, JSON rating, the feedback, JSON feedback, the sentiment, JSON sentiment, the category, JSON category, the summary, JSON summary, and the timestamp, JSON timestamp. All your user insights are logged cleanly and ready for product analytics or dashboard. Step 8. Notify the team in Slack. The channel will be named Early Access Feedback and the text will be this. New Early Access Feedback, JSON name, JSON email, JSON product, JSON rating, sentiment. Why it matters? Because it gives you real-time visibility and faster product improvement cycles. And the last node, the email node. The settings will be from email feedbackyourstartup.com to email JSON email, and the subject will be thank you for your feedbacks on JSON product. And the text will be this. Hey JSON name, thank you for your sharing your feedback on JSON product. We really appreciate your insights, especially about JSON summary. Stay tuned, the product team. This automated appreciation builds trust and better user relationship. And on the false path, you have the handle duplicate feedback. From the if false output, add Slack duplicate notice. Let's open it. Channel early access feedback, and the text will be this. Duplicate feedback detected, JSON name, JSON email, and JSON product. Why it matters? No wasted Airtable entries, but your team still see attempted duplicates. So far, we build this. A webhook capture system, AI sentiment analyzer, duplicate detector, feedback logger, and Slack plus email integration. This is a fully automated AI-powered feedback loop ready for real-world deployment. Now let's test it. Send one new feedback, watch it flow through every node, webhook set OpenAI HTTP set count if true Airtable Slack email. Then send the same feedback again, webhook set OpenAI HTTP set count if false, Slack duplicate. Everything works, AI analyzes the sentiment, Airtables logs it, Slack alert the team, and user get thanked automatically. That's real AI automation powered by n8n and NoCode tools. You've just built a complete early access feedback automation, capturing, analyzing, storing, and responding automatically. If you enjoy this and you're building your own AI automation n8n or no-code system, hit the subscribe. I post new automation every day. Keep automating and I'll see you in the next build. Bye bye.